to the sun.
Okay guys, hey, this is Venance aka Miss.Cameroon. I'm back with a new video. So first thing first, I'm going to tell you guys what hair I am using. So I am using my hair from Outre. This is the Outre redefined hair. I know I'm going to show you guys the clip of how it was on my head before this, but yeah, so basically the hair is just a whole mess right now, so I'm trying to show you how I turn this hair into something new. Okay, next thing is we're gonna go ahead and bleach these hair because I want the hair to be kind of like green, and well, it is gonna be green, completely green. So I'm using my BW2 bleaching powder and 40 developer from Clarasol. I got both of these at the beauty supply store. So make sure to always wear gloves because you don't want your skin to bleach and burn. So now I'm going to go ahead and make the little mixture. So try to make a big bowl. I always make I don't always make enough and then I have to go ahead and add, so try to make enough. Make sure the consistency is like thick but not too thick. Okay, so I'm gonna start bleaching this hair. Make sure you have aluminum foil next to you because you're going to need that after you are done. Gonna go ahead and bleach the hair. I have guys, I have so many videos of me doing this. It's just same steps, but if you're new to my channel, I guess it's gonna be your first time watching, but I'm still gonna link down below all my other videos that I have, so just feel free to check it out. I'm gonna do this step on every single bundle. So basically bleach it, turn it around, add bleach inside of the hair, brush it out, and then put it in the aluminum foil. So after I wash it up, this is the color that I'm going for. I felt like this was a little too bleached, but I was fine with it. Then here I'm showing you guys how I bleached the closure. So I just flatten it out and then brush it out and then just bleach it. Then I'm going to turn it around. I'm going to turn it around and then I'm going to do the same steps. It's all repetitive. Okay, now it's time to dye the hair. So I'm using AQUAMARINE and I'm using 2 bottles of each. And I'm also using Emerald. I'm going to mix it together, so exactly 4 bottles. I'm just gonna go ahead and dye the hair. This is self-explanatory, just dye the hair. Just make sure that every single strand is dyed. That's the most important thing. Guys, so basically this whole step is just after I finished dyeing the hair, I washed it, then I conditioned it. I left it in for it out for 2 hours, and then I conditioned it for 45 minutes. So after the hair is all dried, we're gonna start to make a wig. I have videos of me making wigs and I'm going to link it down below, so if you want to go ahead and check it out, because it's the same exact steps, same things. Okay, after I'm done sewing down the wig, I'm going to start styling. So the first thing I do is I'm going to straighten my hair, then I'm going to go ahead and curl it. I didn't know if I wanted the hair straight or curly, so I just straighten it first and then curl it. So after you remove the wig from your head, go ahead and cut that little piece of that's under the lace. Now I'm going to go ahead and curl the hair. I absolutely love this wig. So I'm using my Got To Be glue. Then I'm going to use it just to like push my hair back, because you know I don't want to put my wig on and then you see like my natural hair sticking out. And then I'm gonna go ahead and put the wig on my head. After I'm done doing that, I am going to put the Got To Be glue like where I'm going to glue the closure. Then let it dry. I'm gonna go ahead and like fix my baby hair, because you want it to look as natural as possible. You want it to look like it's your own hair basically, but you know it's not. It's really not your hair. So yeah, after this step, that's basically all, guys. And I'm gonna do the little slow-mos, you know, same old slow-mos that I always do. And yeah, thank you so much for watching though. Like I appreciate it a lot. I hope you guys like this. I liked it too. The hair kind of fried a little bit too much. I feel like it was too dry. I needed to moisturize it a lot more, but it came out pretty great to me. The color came out great. I just need to add more moisture to the hair. But other than that, I was happy about the hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you on my next video.
I got a condo in